Hey everyone, welcome to Deanna Creates. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a Dollar Tree haul from my shopping this morning. So let's just get started. So I got a Dollar Tree gift card for Christmas, and I had been seeing all of the fun things that people were getting at Dollar Tree for the spring. And so I wanted to go, and so I went this morning, and my Dollar Tree had a pretty good selection. So let me show you. Most of what I purchased was surfaces, so things that I can use to make stuff on or remake. So let's just get started. So this is the first thing, and it is so cute. I don't, if you remember my little signs, two little signs that I did at Christmas, they were similar to this, but they were actually cardboard. This is actually the MDF wood. So, and it has the little beads, which I love. So I think this will be a really, really cute project. And then they also had a round one. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? And again, this is the MDF too. And then they have one in white, the same kind, just a square one. So I'm really excited about using those. And then look at this cute little house. Oh my goodness, isn't that so cute? I can think of some fun things that we could do with this. I just love little house shapes, probably because I am such a nester and I love home. So anything with like a house shape, I just think it's cozy. And then look at this. Oh my goodness, isn't this so cute? So I already have an idea for this that I want to transform it into. I'm thinking something kind of shabby chic with maybe a little Parisian touch to it with some letters, kind of muted colors. I don't know, but I just think these are really cute. And when I saw it, that's immediately what popped into my head of how I could redo this. And then these little easels. So look how cute that is. Won't that be cute with either some decoupage tissue or a transfer or a napkin or anything. They're just so cute. And they also had it in kind of the darker brown color, but I like the white. So I think that's really cute. And then I picked up some of these silver trays. I was having a hard time finding these at my Dollar Tree. They used to be in the party section, but now they moved these at my Dollar Tree to like over where the kitchen stuff was. So I spotted these, so I picked up a couple of these because I wanted to do some decoupage with these trays. And then I found in the book section this really sweet little book. It says There's Always Hope, and it says a book of comfort and a book to comfort and inspire. And it's really a gift book that you could give to someone. But the quotes, it has just really pretty quotes in here. And I thought how awesome that would be to use that in my art journal or in my mixed media pieces. You know, I'm all about words and inspiring in, you know, everything that I work on. And so I just thought this was a really great idea. And they had some other ones. They had like dream ones and, gosh, I can't remember all of the different, but they had like probably 6 different of these little books. So next time you're at Dollar Tree, if you like that sort of thing, you might want to pick one up so you can use it. And then, let's see, the next thing that I got was this little Sissel bunny. Oh my goodness, you guys, isn't he so cute? I just think it's adorable. I'm really into these little Sissel animals. I really, really love them. And when I saw this, I just thought it was really, really cute. And they had different ones. Some of them, you know, were forward facing and they had little flowers. But the flowers looked kind of plasticky and cheesy. So I just liked the paper mache carrot. I thought that looked the most natural, but I think he's so cute. So getting a little ahead for Easter, but you know, I was there, and like I said, I had a gift card, and so I just picked up things. So I also got these cute little bunny, they call them little ornaments, and then these eggs. So I have some ideas for some things that we can do with these as we get closer to spring. And then I picked up these are like little bitty wood pieces, and there are a squirrel, there's some leaves, some acorns, some mushrooms, some little hedgehogs, just really, really cute little things. And these are perfect to add to tags or to cards, or, I mean, there's lots of stuff. I've used them in my mixed media pieces before. So they had some other sets of these too with some flowers that were really cute. So these were a great little find. And then I picked up some of these. These are some stickers, and they have a painted one, and then 2 natural wood ones, and then a row with glitter. And they put these out every season, and I always like to have these, and I usually try to pick them up because they're perfect to add to things. Again, I like to use them on cards, in my pieces, just lots of different ways that you can use these cute little stickers. And then they had this gingham ribbon in the red that I just thought was so cute. It does have just a little edge of kind of like a shimmer around it, and it's just so cute. I think would be perfect for Valentine's or really any time, because I love the gingham. And then I picked up a deck of their cards because I'm working on some artist trading cards, and so I needed some more of those. And then these next few finds are really, really cute. Not that it all isn't, but I really got excited when I saw these. So they have these cute little farm animals. So here's a little pig. They have a cow and a rooster. And oh my goodness, you guys, aren't they so cute? I just love them. They are just as cute as can be. And I just watched the video with a creator that I really like. Her name is Jill, and I'll leave her link below. And she did a live last night, and she had got it was a bigger pig, and she got it at Hobby Lobby, and it was just precious, just precious. So I was really excited when I saw these, because I just think they are just really, 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 really cute. And then they have this little house. Oh my goodness, this is fabric. So it's, gingham fabric on here, and then like a little chalkboard. And I think it's cute on its own. So I don't know if I will, redo this or not, but I just think it's cute. And they had a different one. I think they had another one that had a heart on it. And yeah, just super cute. And then here's another little house. This is a chalkboard one, and I will redo this. But again, I just love these little house shapes. And then this is just just a sign. It has, the ridges on it, and I thought it would be perfect just to use as a surface for some kind of fun little project that we will do. And then the last 2 things I picked up are just some organization things. So I picked up a couple of these. These are just the little organization boxes. And you guys, these aren't like, the highest quality thing, but I like to use these just to have, like, for things like this that I want to maybe just put in my studio to have handy. It's just, they're nice to kind of have. And for $1.25, I mean, they will serve the purpose for sure. So I picked up a couple of those, and then I picked up one of their tubs like this, and it is really cute. These are pretty, they're pretty sturdy. Again, for $1.25, but kind of the same thing. If I decide to go work in another room or something, I can put my supplies in here and just carry this in there, or if I'm working on a project, I can put all the stuff in my project just in here. So lots of uses for things like this. So, it's the new year, trying to get organized and think through how to keep things in some order. You know how that is as we start crafting. I don't know about you, but it turns into chaos in here sometimes. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. Again, I was so excited that I had a gift card and I found all these cute little treasures. There was a couple more things that I had seen from some other creators online that my Dollar Tree didn't have, but that's okay. I think I found plenty to keep me busy. So I would love for you guys to tell me in the comments what some great finds are that you're finding at your Dollar Tree. I know all the Dollar Trees, they seem to always get different things, and I don't tend to venture out. I have one pretty close to me that I really like, and so I tend to just go there unless I'm just in another part of town and happen to be close to one. But yeah, you guys be sure to tell me what you found at your Dollar Tree. So that is it for today. And as always, I wish you guys a wonderful week ahead, and love and light to you all. And we'll see you again real soon.